Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a great day today. If you are new here, welcome. And if you've been here a while, welcome back. Now you guys are probably wondering, what is that box that we're looking at? Well, this box is a box of pellets that I purchased from Sherwood Pet Health. They have their own like pellets and supplements for small animals like guinea pigs, rabbits, chinchillas, those types of animals that are herbivores. So what I did was I was watching a video from Skinny Pigs 1 Abby, and she did a review on these particular pellets from Sherwood Pet Health. So she saw really good results with her fur babies, and I wanted to order them too because I had been researching them. I think I was researching them a few months ago, and then I kind of dropped it because so many different things came up. But this box, I ordered this. I believe I ordered this a couple days ago. Today's the 28th. I ordered these on the 25th. They were shipped on the 26th, and I received them today. Now, from the return address, these were priority mail from Utah, so that was really super quick. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the box. I'm not going to show you guys my address. I'm going to move the box over here and open it, and then we'll see what's inside. This is a tough one to open. Either that or I'm super weak. Hold on, guys. I'm going to give this a pause. Okay, so this is how I opened the box. I opened the box. It was taped really, really well, so it took a little bit to get it open. This is my packing slip. Let me see what's on there, what it says. And you can see that this is the packing slip. I folded over my name, but that's my email address that I use for my guinea pigs. That was the name of my channel, Dawn Piggy Mama 16. Long story behind that. That's on that channel if you want to go take a look. But it says adult guinea pig food, 4.5 pound bag. It was $17.89, and there was no shipping, and the grand total was $17.89 for this bag. Let me take the bag out. We can see what it looks like. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, and he gives a little pamphlet in here about his supplements and what he has. Okay, I'm going to take a look at that later. But let me take these out. And here we go. This says healthier and happier. How cute. Adult premium natural guinea pig food. Sherwood Pet Health. Now, Dr. Sherwood, I believe he is... I think he has a degree in biology. There goes my other phone. But it says on top here, it is soy-free, worry-free, grain-free. Now, most guinea pig pelleted food, they list Timothy hay as the first ingredient, but it's a very small amount in the ingredient list. So it's really not the first ingredient. It should be moved down further. And then they put grains and soy and wheat middlings for the protein, and guinea pigs do not do well on that. In this particular food, now there is like a controversy over whether or not guinea pigs should be given alfalfa, but he explains it really, really well. And there's a picture of Dr. Sherwood right there on the back. And it's a really short list of what is in here compared to other guinea pig food. It says ingredients: alfalfa hay, Timothy hay, whole flax, whole safflower, monodicalcium, phosphate salt, choline chloride, D-L-methionine, ascorbic acid, which guinea pigs need, copper, amino acid chelate, lysine, zinc amino acid chelate, manganese amino acid chelate, niacin, I can't see that, L309, selenium yeast culture, ethylene, diamine dihydroiodide, and cobalt carbonate. So he explains on his website, why why he formulated it this way. But let's see. And it says easy transition, excellent teeth, less odor, healthy weight, more energy, perfect digestion, softer fur, and better urine. Now, I was watching Skinny Pig's one when she did it, and she said they eat fewer pellets. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you something that I haven't shown before. Now, it's on one of the pads. I just changed it out. This is one of the pads I use, and I will show you what happens with the guinea pigs. Now, you can see that these are little white spots. This is a dirty pad, so yeah. And that is like a sludge, not really sludgy, but it comes out of, this is their urine. And, this is getting a little worrisome. This one, I believe, was Rosie. She's the one that has the biggest problems. You can see a little bit right there. I don't know, it's a little bit right here. I don't know if you can see it on the other side. No, you can't see it on that side. That's the owls. But you can see what I'm talking about. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go get one of the girls, and we're going to see if they like these or not. So I'm going to pause this video, and we're going to do a guinea pig test. Let them do the first impression. Hi, guys. Welcome back. Now you can see that I have Lexi, so I'm going to try to get in there and give her some food. Now I left some, I have her bowl. I left some of the dust from the old pellets in here from KMS Hayloft. Hi, honey. Hi, honey. Hi, baby. So we're going to see if she likes these or not. Now, it rips right off. So what I'm going to do is put that right off. You know what? I'm just going to use my scissors. And I like that it's in a resealable bag. Makes life so much easier. Okay. Hi, honey. You waiting for some pellets? These are new. Let's see if you like. Oh, look at these. Now look at how nice these pellets are. I don't know if you can see them on camera. They're smaller. Let me smell them. They smell so fresh. So I'm going to give her a few in the bowl. Let's see if she eats them. They're new, huh? She's eating them. Let's see if she likes them. Do you like them, baby? Oh, you guys can't see her on camera. Let me move her over. Come here, honey. Right over here. Right over here. Here you go. Let's see. Do you like those? I do believe she likes them. Now, she is not my most fussy piggy. My most fussy piggy is Rosie. She may or may not like these, but I like the way the pellets look. They smell so fresh, yes. So I'd like to thank Dr. Sherwood. Now, he did not send me this bag, but I'd like to thank him for formulating his pellets in such a way that they're so much better for the piggies. So, yeah, guys, this is my unboxing and Lexi's first impression of the Sherwood Pet Health adult guinea pig food. Okay, guys, so take care. Let me know if you have guinea pigs, or if you would have guinea pigs, would you use these pellets? I mean, I think they're excellent for a piggy. Here you go. Ooh. And she can bite right through them really easily. But, okay, guys, see you in the next one. Bye. Lexi, say bye.